Blink Outdoor 4 versus Blink Mini 2. Which one is better for you? Let's look in the video. So if you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing our channel and watch the video till the end. Here you will see this is the detailed comparison between these two. So first talk about camera type. Blink Outdoor 4 is wireless outdoor camera and Blink Mini 2 is wired indoor camera, so depend upon the use case. Now let's look at the resolution. Outdoor 4 provided 1080p Full HD resolution and it is also provided by Mini 2, so both are equal. Now let's look at the field of view. Outdoor 4 provided 143-degree field of view and Mini 2 provided 110-degree field of view. So outdoor 4 is better. Now let's look at the night vision. Outdoor 4 provided infrared night vision and it is also provided by Mini 2, so both are equal. Now let's look at the weather resistance. Outdoor 4 is weatherproof, IP65 is available, and in Mini 2 not weatherproof is available. So outdoor 4 is better. Now let's look at the power source. The power source of outdoor 4 is two AA lithium batteries up to 2 years, and the power source of Mini 2 plug-in USB power. So Blink Outdoor 4 is better. Now let's look at the smart features. In Outdoor 4, motion detection customizable zones features is available, and these features is also available on Mini 2, so both are equal. Now let's look at the audio. Dolby audio is available on all two devices, so both are equal. Now let's look at the storage options. Cloud storage plus local sync module 2 required is available on all two devices, so both are equal. Now let's look at the integration. Alexa enable is available on all two devices, so both are equal. Now let's look at the setup. Easy wired setup is available on Outdoor 4 and easy plug and play setup is available on Mini 2, so both are equal. Now let's look at the price. The price of Outdoor 4 is start at estimated $199.99 and the estimate price of Mini 2 is $34.99. So Mini 2 is better for budget friendly users. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.